Okay, so you've committed to packing light for your big international adventure, and you've assembled all your clothes. You've also decided all the accessories that are important to you and necessary for your destination. Now comes time to put it together, and one big question remains. Will it all fit? Let's find out. Welcome to My Travel Window, the channel devoted to maximizing your travel opportunities. This is the final episode of our three-part series on packing light for international travel. Here, we'll take the clothing and accessory selections from the first two episodes and figure out how to effectively pack them into a small carry-on and a day pack. Let's get started. Okay, so part of the secret to packing the clothes in the suitcase is rolling them. So the advantage of rolling clothes, they do take a little less space, but the biggest advantage is that they stack in ways that allow you to see everything in the suitcase and get one thing out without taking everything out that's stacked on top of it. So let me show you how I roll it. So I take the shirts and I fold them like that, and then I roll starting at the collar end. Try and get it pretty tight, but it doesn't have to be super tight. And it comes out like that. We're going to do the same thing with the pants. So what you can see here is that I've already gone ahead and rolled the two pair of pants for the shirts. This is the fifth shirt. So with moving only slightly, I can see all 5 shirts. I can see both pairs of pants. I've got my shoes packed here. I put them in plastic so they didn't get anything else dirty. And then I packed socks and underwear inside the shoes and also around the edges of the shoes. So when all is said and done, I can put this over the top. And there are all my clothes. What people didn't think would fit in that side of the bag are all there. So now on this side of the bag, you can see what I've done is I put in the breathing machine in the little packing cube. This is my dry toiletries. This is the umbrella, and this is the jacket. So I went ahead and packed the jacket, something you don't necessarily have to do. And these would be either the shorts or in this case swim trunks. So if I put that in this side, once I get to this point, I take the 2 extension cords and I wrap them around the outside edge of the suitcase. So they sort of just disappear into the outside edges. They don't take any extra space. They're out of the way. And I'm not always tripping over them trying to get to something else. So there you have it. All my clothes, my jacket, my swimsuit, my breathing machine, all my toiletries, my umbrella, all packed together, closes easily. Okay, let's move to the backpack. So there is a large compartment in the center of the backpack, and to me that seemed like the right place to put my drone. And the drone controller goes in one of these little side packets on the side. So packs very, very nicely. There's a slot in the back for laptop or whatever. We put the iPad in there. In addition to iPad, we put any other flat things that we need. Our itinerary and all of our guide books, and we put those in there. In a large container in the front, after I put in my drone, I put in my other camera accessories because I want to have them with me. I put in my electrical gear, and on the top, where it's easily accessible, I put in the 311 bag. And it all zips shut, and I have all the things I need with me. What we normally do is we put in this little pocket right here, we get another little baggie and we put change, because you tend to accumulate lots of coins when you travel, since Europe doesn't have $1 and $2 bills. Everything's in coins. So we tend to keep that as change right here in the front where it's easily accessible. This pocket here is for whatever, generally filled up by either my wife or whatever else we have needed. Okay, the last item is my vest. So in my vest, I pack the things that are normally with me when we go out sightseeing. I take my cell phone in a zippered pocket. On the other side, in a zippered pocket, I'll have my, what we call the hockey puck. This is our Wi-Fi device. In one pocket in the front, I'll have the body of my camera in one of the big pockets. In the other, I have the lens to it. So I'm ready to go wherever I need to go and do whatever I need to do. So when you get all done, you take this, you put the backpack on the back, and now you're ready for adventure. If you like this video, please think about subscribing and hit the like button. And if you like it, come back. We'll have at least one, hopefully 2 videos each week as we move forward. And let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. Make it a great travel day.